How to find saved passwords and passkeys in the Passwords app on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. First, navigate to your app library and search for the app Passwords. Once you find it, launch it. Your Face ID will be enabled and you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find this section of all. Clicking on that, you're going to get access to all the website along with the password that you have saved. Clicking on any of the website, you're going to find the details for it. Email address, likewise password. You can also edit it by clicking on the option of edit. You can edit email address, likewise password, or also you can delete it. Now navigate to the option of passkeys. Here you're going to find the passkeys that you have saved. At the bottom, you're going to see the search box. You can use the search bar to quickly find a specific account or app. And that's it. This way you can easily find saved passwords and passkeys on iPhone or iPad. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.